To join PolyLens, you either create a new account for yourself or join an existing account by accepting an invitation from an account administrator. When you first sign up for PolyLens, you are creating an account, also known as a tenant. Later, when you onboard devices to PolyLens, they will appear on your account dashboard. You may also be invited to join another account that reports and manages many different sites and devices. This allows you to manage devices in that account depending on your role. If you are the administrator of the company's account, you may invite others to join your account. You decide if their role will be an administrator, device manager, or a guest. To be invited, you do not need a pre-established PolyLens account. Just follow the instructions in the email. To create an account, go to support.hp.com/s-n/poly. Choose the Sign Up tab. Next you see that there are 3 ways to sign up. You may choose to sign up with either your Microsoft account, your Google account, or your email address. If you sign up with your corporate Microsoft account, you are asked to select the account you wish to use. Read the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You must agree to these terms to sign up for PolyLens. When you receive a verification email from PolyLens, click Verify Account. You will receive another email with instructions. Click Get Started. On the PolyLens profile page, enter an account name. Select Continue. PolyLens creates your account and assigns your account name as the default account. When you onboard a device, PolyLens will associate the device to this default account. You are now ready to start using PolyLens.